Right, it's about 5:30. We're gonna see what Johnny got done today on the Mighty Accord. Looking pretty good. We're about taped off for paint, and we had a bunch of parts come in. The bumper cover's not on yet because there's actually like 7,500 little pieces of grill trim that need to go on first, and they didn't send me all of them, but I got a fender now, and I got a driver's side door now. I had to order a chrome door handle from Rock Auto because it came with a body colored one off of a four-cylinder car. But the rear door is about ready, and all the quarter panel work is done. I got my wheel somewhere around here. I just don't know where the hell it is. But that'll go on to replace that space saver up front. And then we should be ready for paint either tomorrow or Friday. That's pretty cool.